Hello, children. This is Manish Yadav, and today we are going to cover the last portion for the chapter, the third label from the book of Vistas. In this video, uh, we shall finish the chapter today. First day, first day of sale, and the post mark proves the date. The envelope is called a first day cover. They are never opened. You just put blank paper in the envelope. Okay, first day cover. First of all, let us know what is a first day cover. Okay, stamp sellers. Whenever a stamp is launched or issued in the market, they purchase it and they send a mail with an envelope keeping a blank paper inside it, only to recall the date of its issuing and launching. I think you have got. I mean to say that they only purchase the issued stamp on the current date. They keep it with an envelope keeping a blank page inside it without writing anything on that page, and they mail it to their mail. Okay, because of they would be able to recall and to know the launching and issuing date of that stamp in the future. This is first day cover, and they put it blank. I mean, blank paper is put in the envelope. They do not open it. Now, that night, among my oldest first day covers, I found one that should not have been there. Charlie surprisingly tells us that he found one first day cover out of his oldest first day covers that should not have been there. Okay, that should not have been there, जो कि वहाँ नहीं होना चाहिए था, but there it was. But I found it there. What happened? It was there because someone had mailed it to my grandfather at his home in Galesburg. Charlie tells us that it was sent by someone, okay, to my grandfather's home in Galesburg, because Charlie's grandfather lived in Galesburg, and that's what the address on the envelope said. And according to the address that was mentioned there on the envelope, it was Galesburg, and it had been there since July 1894, and the envelope was dated 18th of July 1894. Means it was belonging to 18th, sorry, not 18th, 19th century. The envelope was belonging to 19th century, and as we all know that the story is about 19th century, uh, but Charlie belongs to 20th century. Now, the postmark showed that. Yet I did not remember it at all. The postmark showed that. I did not remember. I was unknown to that uh, first day cover. I did not know anything about that. I was shocked seeing that in my other oldest first day covers. The stamp was a 6 cent. Okay, and the stamp was for 6 cent, means 6 cent का वो स्टैम्प था, dull brown with a picture of President Garfield. Dull brown. The color of envelope was dull brown with a picture of President Garfield. Okay, I mean, he was a president. Garfield was a president in those days. On every currency, um, it is the picture of president or the person who is broadly famous in the country, like Mahatma Gandhi and our own currency. So President Garfield was there, his picture was there on that stamp. When the envelope came to uh, Grandad in the mail, जब envelope Grandad में आया मेल में, wait for some time, let me erase everything. It went right. It went right into his collection and stayed here till I took it out and opened it. The paper inside was not blank dated. When I opened, okay, I went right into his collection and stayed there. I mean, the mail, the envelope was there in the collection of my grandfather, and I took it out. I opened the letter, but the paper inside was not blank. And usually, they sent a blank paper inside the envelope, okay, for first day cover, but it was not blank, it was written. What was written there? Let us know. There is some disturbance. Here we go. What was there inside the envelope? It was a written letter, and the address that was mentioned or written on the letter was Galesburg, Illinois, July 18, 1894. Okay, Charlie. The letter. The letter was written accosting Charlie. Charlie को संबोधित करके लिखा गया था. Charlie, I got to wishing that you were right. Okay, now it's a miracle. ये एक miracle है, because this letter has been written by Sam, okay, who was Charlie's friend and a psychiatrist as well, जो कि एक मनोचिकित्सक होता है, और शैम उसका नाम है, शैम वीनर, जो कि चार्ली का फ्रेंड हुआ करता है, आप सभी जानते हैं. अब वो क्या बता रहा है? ओके, what does he tell us about that letter? I got to wishing you that you were right. Sham writes in his letter that Charlie, you were right, because Charlie was telling about third level and it was unbelievable for the people to believe. But this time it's a very strange miracle for the Charlie that the letter was sent by Sham Wiener and he wishes him that he was right. Then I got to believing you were right. And Charlie, it's true. I found the third label. Sham. Sham writes in his letter that Charlie, you were right. That third label exists in the world at Grand Central Station in USA. I found it out. I have been here 2 weeks, and I have been here 2 weeks. I have been staying here, I have been living here for 2 weeks. I have finally arrived here, and right now, down the street at the days, someone someone is playing a piano. Sam writes that he was there in Galesburg, I mean the place or the third label which they were talking about, Charlie was talking about. Here we go. And they all out on the front porch singing, sing Nelly home. And Sham and his family, they all were sitting in the porch singing, sing Nelly home, and they were looking at Nelly's home. And I am invited over for lemonade. And Sam writes that he has been invited by some people for lemonade, lemon and water. Come on back, Charlie and Louisa. Sam writes requiring the presence of Charlie and Louisa. Charlie and Louisa keep looking you until they find third level. It's true, what it will leave me. Uh, Shem says to Charlie that keep looking and searching for the third label because I have got it, and just try to get it because it exists in the geography. Now the note is signed Sham. ये नोट जो था, it was written by Sham. Sham के द्वारा लिखा हुआ था. And the note is signed. Now at the stamp and coin store I go to. Charlie goes to the coin store to know what happened. I found out that Sam bought $800, and he also found, Charlie found that Sam has made sundry of $800 worth of old style currency, because Charlie was roaming for the old currency and he was roaming for that place again, third level, but he did not found ever. But Sam got it. Okay, श्याम ने भी $800 को सन्ड्री कराया था ओल्ड करेंसी में. ये जाके काउंटर से पता लगाता है कि वास्तव में श्याम भी जो है ओल्ड करेंसी कलेक्ट किया है. इट मीन्स ही हैड गॉन देयर, तो फिर वो वहीं गया होगा. नाउ द आउट दैट आउट टू सेट हिम इन द नाइस लिटिल हे. और फिर ये वो घास भूसा तो खरीदेगा नहीं इससे. फीड एंड अगेन बिजनेस, and grand business of grain and feeding. He always said that what he really visited